I just have to start somewhere. As you can see, this is the next day. Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
These got out of hand. I can't have them doing this in the garden. I'm going to see if anything is in this container and I'm going to put other things inside there. I don't want to have this issue right here, so not at all. I'm going to figure out somewhere else to plant sweet potato. For me personally, I don't see the sense in doing something that I love and it feels like a burden. So, can't work with these right here, so not at all. I should just dig up inside here so and just look from now, you know. Since I'm already here, why not just look? Because I'm going to move it anyways. I'm going to get off some of the vines. I'm going to put them to soak. Not to soak, to root. Doesn't look like anything inside there at all. See, it was just ready to do some stuff right here, so it is what it is. I can't deal with this. I'm going to plant back some, but I want to be in better control of it. I don't want it right here, so for sure. I'm still skimming through to see if anything inside there, which it don't look that way. Don't look that way at all. Nothing is in there. Let me get another tool. Not a thing is inside there. Even though the harvest is premature, I thought I would see something substantial. But not a thing is in there. I was going to have potato, you know, but that's how it is. I can't deal with this. Also, nothing inside here at all, at all. Probably put some carrots inside here, so. And to replenish the soil a bit, put some carrots inside here. You can see I would eventually get potatoes, but it's just too much for me, guys. And I'm going to move this one around here as well. Yeah. Moving them all up. Same thing was happening over here. You could see that eventually I will get potatoes, but it is what it is. Gardening family, I see something, Oh, it looks like a frog. It is not a frog. I don't know where to start. I wonder if I can manage this task. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can manage. These corns right here, so they need to heal up. When I'm done, I'm going to try to heal them properly. I am trying to see if I can get rid of most of it. I'm probably going to have to go over it a second time. I just want here to clear, and so I can wash out in my corns with all the worms that are eating out inside. I'm going to put some diatomaceous earth inside there. I remember putting 2 peppers around here, one of them died. See one here? thought it was going to be a little bit more challenging. This is a thing there, you know. Did I damage it? This is a watermelon. Did I damage you? Boy, I don't like this part about the ingrown at all. I don't like this part about the ingrown. I can't tell you that much. I think after these corns and cucumber, anything I have around, anything at all I have around here. After this, just planting and bananas for ingrown for me. I am not up to this challenge at all. The weeding, the constant weeding that is. I am not up for this. I will stick to the containers and raised beds. They do get weeds, but not so much. I can easily manage those weeds. Not these. These weeds around here, they grow too fast. Too fast. Too fast if you ask me. I have some beans in here, you know. I legit don't know where to turn. I am sincerely going to leave it. I'm just going to keep right here so clear. I'm going to wash out inside the corns. Allow the planting to continue to grow. And as soon as the corns produce, I am just going to cut down here so when the yard cuts. This too much. Too much for me, man. Alright, my thoughts are running wild right now. Yeah, let me tell you what I'm going to do. What is in my thoughts is that these cucumbers that are around here, they don't start to produce as yet. So I am going to transplant them. Yeah. The sorrels, let me bring it closer and show you. I'm going to take out these sorrels as well. If you can see, this is one. This is one. There are several there. Oh, I don't want to step on any. Several inside here. This is one. This is one. See another one here. Some over here. And some right here. They're all over inside here. So I am going to transplant these into containers. I'm going to take out the cucumbers as well. Transplant them. The bush around here grow too quickly. If I had a second, then you know the work would be easier. But currently that's not the case. And so I'm going to stick to the beds and the containers for now. I'm just going to grow like plantains, bananas, and these. What's it called again? Papaya. Yeah, these two little ones that I put here, you can see that they're growing nicely. This one right here, it's a male And it grew so nicely, since I came here. Yeah. So I'm going to do away with around here. Just keep around here clear and nice, because this ain't working at all. The good thing about here right now, that this soil that I put manure in, yeah, I can use it if anything, if I need additional soil. I may transplant this as well. It kind of damaged right there. Going to add more soils in this. Look at this volunteer. Ah, yes. And these are the ones that I didn't pay any mind over there. This one bent up. The yam have this one. That one look like ants eating it all up. I'm going to see if I get anything from them. Pineapple's not looking bad at all. This one around here needs to transplant. That one root up. I'm going to get a few things in the garden right now. Yeah. Alright. I am going to see if I get anything out of these little corns. Oh, look at that. Because I'm going to... Ooh. The ants were just about to deal with this. And they deal with them, They deal with it, I'm going to show you when I get closer. I don't think you're seeing it. Root up the same time. The yams. Oh, it's just break off, so. Ants there right here. The silk could dry a little bit more off this one, but better than nothing at all. And because I'm cleaning up, I just want to see things, back to normal again. These kinds, they weren't treated good at all. From when I was supposed to add some manure and some soil and stuff. Woo! A big worm. Huge. Cut it, man. Let me show you. Look at it. Ah! So, it's better me get this than not get anything at all. Okay, you can see that worm was going to deal with it. Yeah, so let me show you. These better than none at all. I can't even have this one. I'm just going to dry it. My little cute sweet corns. Getting these peppers right here. This one was on the verge to start getting spoiled. See, right there, so? Yeah, I'm just going to cut this part off. There's another one around here. So red and nice. I have a few more. Stone right here. few here. These plants are trickling down. You know, from when I was supposed to prune them back. But I'm still going to prune them back. That's a cayenne pepper right here. These cayenne peppers, they are also trickling down. Some of you might remember how big they were when they just start producing. I'm also going to cut them back as well. I'm getting these pink callaloo. Of course, I am not getting from the root because I want them to continue to grow and I want them as tender as this. I'm going to mix these with some spinach. Not spinach, some pak choy. I also want to get these bell peppers or sweet peppers. You know, from when I say I'm going to prune back these, just going to give them some big chop like this. Take off some of these leaves. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just showing you. You know, I could have done, these currants could have been doing much better, you know. But yeah, I'm working. May not be at the pace I would want to, but I'm getting there. I have these peppers that I want to get as well. I love the look of them, you know. The yellow one, the yellow bell or the yellow sweet pepper. So cute. Too cute. Alright, so I am going to wait until this one ripens because I don't need all of them right now. Let's get those pak choy leaves. So how I harvest my pak choys so that I can always come back for more is take off the bottom leaves. Oh, what is that? Nothing. Alright, so I just take off the bottom leaves and then leave a few in the middle to grow back. I am checking these because worms were on there. Even though I am going to, so what I'm telling you, see one there? Even though, let me kill it. Alright, so even though I am going to soak them in salt water before using, so I just take off the bottom leaves like so and leave these ones in the middle right there to continue to grow. These ones not looking so good, so I'm not going to use those. So that is why you see me taking them off and throwing them on the ground. So yeah, I just take off the bottom leaves like this and allow the plant to continue to put out new leaves so I can always come back for more. So I'm riding on whistle at the same time. I'm cleaning up and harvesting at the same time. Let me get some of this one as well. So yeah, this is my little pak choy harvest. I believe I can get some more down here. I think these needs to clean up more than anything else though. Yeah. I'm going to take care of them, by the help of God. And let, my garden come back to life. Well, I mean, in better standing, because it's not going to be ungrateful. It is in good standing, but it can get better. Because I know how I do in taking care of a garden. All of those are worms, Worms are killing. I know I can do much better. Yeah, so I'm going to clean up these. And yeah. By the help of God, things will get better. So, this is my little harvest for today. So remember, I've been telling you that I was going to wash down these. I didn't get a chance to because I thought the rain would wash them off for me. But they aren't washed off properly. So, I am just getting to them myself. I have some lovely cucumbers coming up on these plants. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.